Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Welcome if you are new. Hi, my name is Katleho. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my journey. Hope you stay and enjoy more of my content. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to become a part of this family. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. As always, your continuous support is highly appreciated. I appreciate every single one of you guys who are here, watch my videos, who like, comment. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed yet, to keep on coming back, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and become a part of the family. So guys, in today's video, I am continuing with the new year kind of deep cleaning the house. And so today I just want to wash the dishes first before I move on to the rest of the house. And yeah, today I am going to be cleaning the common area as well. But before I get to the common area, I just want to clear the sink so that when I come back later on in the day when I make dinner, the kitchen will be clear. But I won't be cleaning the whole kitchen, just clearing the sink basically. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it gives you the motivation to clean your space as well.
To circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going altered by the moment, dear. And as the days turn idle, sweet on survival. I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be saved without it. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. I'm swimming with the sharks.
2026 is going to be a great year. I can just feel it. Like, I am so excited. There's this unexplainable excitement that I have for this year. Really positive. Started the year with a high. Like, I am really I am looking forward to this year. I'm really, really looking forward to this year. And maybe later on this year, when everything unfolds, I will share. But right now, because it's still in the pipeline, I really can't say much. But I am really excited about this year. Like, I'm really excited. Like I said in I think in my last video, that this year I am picking up from where we left off. So it's same goals, same vision, same mission, just a different year. So nothing is different. Like, there's no New Year's resolutions for me or anything like that. The plan is basically still the same. It's just a different year. So yeah, I hope you guys are also excited and looking forward to the year. Brand new year, new beginning, fresh new start. I mean, if you haven't already started, I guess this would be, the time to start afresh, or to start. If you've never started before, if you doubted that it wouldn't work out, maybe try a different angle. Just do something. I don't think that dreams are invalid. Sometimes it's not your season yet, it's not your time yet, but it doesn't mean that your dreams or your visions are invalid. So if maybe you thought, what, it will never happen for me, maybe it's time to go back to the drawing board and go back and revisit those dreams, revisit those visions, but with a new angle, a fresh new way of approaching things. And who knows, maybe 2026 is your year.
See the fire in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night. Only close to the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright. See the flame in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night. Only close to the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright.
This was later on in the day. I was done washing the dishes, and just as I was about to move on to the common area, my sister sent me a WhatsApp. She was like, "Girl, I feel like going out for lunch. Are you free?" And I was like, "Listen, call me when you're outside. Call me when you're downstairs. I am going to go and take a shower right now and get ready." She was like, "I'll be there in an hour or two, but I'll tell you maybe 30 minutes before I get to your house." And I was like, "Say no more." So we went to Kotajo. This one is in Boxburg, not too far from East Rand Mall. So yeah, I enjoyed the food. The food was so delicious. Nathan.
Okay,
I know it has Ferrero Rocher. It has nuts. Eh. Thank you. I can't remember if the drink that I ordered was a smoothie or a shake, but it was so good. I think the flavor was what's this biscuit from Lotus? Oh my gosh, why am I forgetting it? But it was so good. Like it's a biscuit. It's not a it doesn't have like a biscuit flavoring, but they actually crush the biscuits and incorporate them in, oh yeah, Biscoff. I think it's Biscoff. Yeah. And they incorporate it into the shake or the smoothie. And it was so great. To be honest, most of the from the what is it? From the should I say category from the drinks? Yeah, these the milky drinks or shakes. Most of the ones that you can see are probably gonna taste good have nuts, like the Ferrero Rocher one. The what was the other one? Yeah, but the ones that have nuts, oh my goodness! Like you can see the combo because, like, I think they write the ingredients below or something like that, or we ask the waiter, but they just sound like they are delicious. And I was so sad because I have a nut allergy, so I couldn't have the Ferrero Rocher one or the Nutella one because it's got hazelnuts. And I was like, oh my goodness, because I know how Nutella tastes and I know how Ferrero Rochers taste like. So I was imagining the taste. I just know that they taste amazing. But anyway, I enjoyed this one as well. I also ordered some fries with onion rings, wings, and oh yeah, it was onion rings, chips, and wings. It comes with this nice sauce. Well, I chose the I think it's American hot wing sauce or something like that. Oh my gosh, it tasted so good. And then my sister ordered some loaded fries, loaded chili and cheese fries. My sister loves chili. Like the loaded fries already have chilies, but she also added some chili sauce on top. Like yeah, she loves chili. You'd think after this she's gonna have a tough time. I don't wanna uh say too much, but you guys know what happens when you eat too much chili. No problem whatsoever. Like, I think her system or her stomach is already used to the chilies. If I ever tried eating even as half as much as chili that she eats, I would have a problem the whole week. But her system, trust me, she'll be okay. She'll be okay. Like she loves her chili. I also love hot food, but I have a limit. Every time we spend time together, we always have a good time. Doesn't matter where we are, whether we're traveling to KZN, whether we are traveling to Limpopo, like whether it's a road trip or we out at the restaurant, or we just always have a good time. Like we enjoy each other's company, and you know what, I love that for us. And this was around like 5 o'clock. I think we left the restaurant at around 8 o'clock. Like we were chilling there, just laughing, having a great time. I'm pretty sure the waiters were like, these people have been here for like more than 2 hours. What's going on? It looks so nice. Thank you for the lunch, Dawson. Ividiyo nawe uhlale wenza ividiyo ungangitsheli. Ngicabanga ukuthi